But you've got to put your arms through the bottom one. Yeah? So your arms are through the bottom one. Okay? My arms go through the top one. How amazing is this? I've only designed with you in mind. But I can give you a hug and I'm not touching you. But it feels like I am touching you.
Put your arms through the slats.
All right. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love you. I love you. Hi, Kid. Oh, can you come in? Oh, this. Okay, that's too much. Okay. Come on, baby doll. Oh, my girls. Where's the other one? Oh, there you are. Oh, who came up with this idea?
Mama.
You're clever. Oh, my girls, my boys. Oh, come on, I got seconds here. I got seconds here. Oh, my goodness gracious. This is something else. Oh, let me see that smile. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, let me see your smile. Oh, let me 1 second.
Okay, 1 second.